Hello my friends, welcome to TIT Heat Pump. I'm Tony. Today I would like to introduce one of our best-selling heat pump. It is a 500 liters all-in-one heat pump. So usually we call it solar all-in-one heat pump. Why? We discuss this later. As you can see, there is a solar panel here, right? That is all-in-one heat pump. So, what specialties it has? It is running now, very quiet. The number one is we are using R134A compressor. So the max hot water can be up to 75. And the number two, this all-in-one heat pump is not like the traditional all-in-one heat pump, because we build in circulation pump inside of a heat pump, so it is a water cycle, not a gas cycle type. So it has better performance, and it is safer, right, and more healthy. Let's see. Water cycle. This is a circulation pump. Tubing cell heat exchanger compressor. So this is a water cycle. Yeah. Circulation inlet, outlet, water cycle. And number three, this pressure bearing tank, the material is different. We use SUS 2205 material. So in market it is also called duplex. So this tank has a better anti-corrosion performance. So its life is much longer. In our company, if you choose to use this material water tank, we can give you 5 years warranty for water tank, no leaking. And the number four, the specialty is this water tank. It is full 500 liters. In the market, all-in-one heat pump, I think this is the biggest one. Total 500 liters. So you can have enough hot water. And number five, as you can see this all-in-one heat pump, there are two fans. It is a set discharge fan. So you can install this all-in-one heat pump anywhere, outdoor. Okay, don't worry about raining or anything. It's very high waterproof level. And number six, we use a big compressor. The heating capacity is up to almost 8 kilowatts. So the heating capacity is very fast. And number seven, we also leave the port for the port. Yeah, you can see that port. Yeah, for electronic heater. If you need an electronic heater, you can install it by yourself, or you can tell us. We can install electronic heater for you. And the number eight, its specialty is very important. We call it a solar all-in-one heat pump because, as you can see, we already combine solar panel with the and the heat pump. Because we develop a very good and multifunctional control system which can control solar panel circulation pump at the same time to control heat pump. So one control system for two different heating systems. Yeah, let's see it. As you can see, this circulation, we can circulate the water from panel. If the water is higher than the water temperature in the tank, so the solar circulation pump will start working, and the very high water will circulate inside the tank, and the circulation back to the panel. Okay, this is another system, solar water heating system. And the heat pump itself also has one heating system. So let's see this control system. Yeah, as you can see, there is a solar pump, right? Signal. This is a solar pump. So the solar pump here, and this pump is built in heat pump. So there are two circulation pumps. One is for solar panel, for circulating hot water into the tank. The other is the other circulation pump is for heat pump itself. Okay, so this is TRT solar all-in-one heat pump. If you are interested, please discuss with us.